This is the build tips for the 350 millimeter Quadlugs frame kit. Let's go ahead and get the body off of it. And as I was mentioning in some of the other videos, this is made out of foam board, and we're kind of experimenting right now and see what everybody thinks about the bodies, and if we have enough interest in the type body that we have interest in, we'll go ahead and start manufacturing them for the kits. But once again, this is the unique thing about Quadlugs. You can not only build them how you want them, the size that you want, the arm length that you want, even down to the motor arm angles that you want, but you can also build bodies. Again, I'd like to see some of the bodies that are being built, and you know, we'll put them on the site as they come in, and it'd be real I would be real curious as to some of the designs, because as you can with building this your way, you can also now build your body your way too. Anyway, please send them in, because I'd be real curious, and we can show others on what you've done. We have the mounts here, the body mounts already installed here, but the only real difference, all the Quadlugs are going to build the same. So if you go through part 2 and part 3 of the Quadlugs system introduction, it'll go through the complete build and how to get it to this point. The only thing that we've done differently is that we've added, and these are in the kit, we've added 2 more motor supports, lugs, and we've turned the wood, instead of like on the other Quadlugs so far, they were going this way, they were facing this way. We've turned it this way, and this is the effect we get. So the arms are butted up against the 90s, as in the 480, and pretty much this is the only difference here. So it's if you go through the other videos, I think you'll find it gives you everything you need to put this together, with this being the only difference, and that's turning it and mounting it this way. And I've screwed it in 4 spots here, and the frame supports the deck supports are centered in between the 90s here and here, and they're centered pretty much in between the arms here. I have it off a little bit here, but you can center it. It's, you know, no big deal. And once again, we put the ESC underneath the deck here, and it's a quad. Now the wires are a little bit long, but like I was saying before, I do that so I can move it from machine to machine, you know, if I want to. Other than that, that's it. The battery mount on the bottom, this is how I mounted the battery mount. It's going this way, and it fits in between the 2 connection reinforcement here, arm reinforcement. And again, like I was saying on the other videos, is that I put Velcro here and here, so when I put my battery in, it's got support here and with the strap. This quad fly is very, very good. It's you know, really easy to pack around if you want to do some filming with a GoPro and you want to haul it around. It's very, very easy to move around. And our GoPro mounts will fit on the front, on the wood here on the front, and I think you'll find it's a good machine. Anyway, this body here is something that I played around with, and I've had a lot of fun with it. Had a lot of nice comments on it. Had some people that didn't like it, had some people that really liked it. But you know, we have a lot of room in here, and everything works out really well. Anyway, that's it. Once again, thank you very, very much, and please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Is going to be, the next video rather, is going to be build tips on the what I call the camera quad and the big body quad. So they all build the same, pretty easy. Once you've done one, you can do them all. And the neat thing about it is once you've done one, you can tear it down and make it different. Bigger body, smaller body, longer arms, smaller arms, bigger or longer landing gear, shorter landing gear. It's the unique part about it, even a different body. So anyway, thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one. Subscribe. Thanks.